Alright, this is Ryan with Rockport Kayak. So, as some of y'all know, we do have a hurricane that came through, but some of us that know how to prepare ahead of time, 55-gallon drum with the pump, got it sitting right outside the window to our kitchen, so we just run that hose right on in, and right here we can go ahead and fill up a wash sink, fill up a rinse sink, and still do our dishes from right here inside. So this little pump right here goes down into there all the way down to the bottom. So this is why we go ahead and prepare ahead of time. So water's been in and out only between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Is it even sporadically available? But with that, we don't know what the quality of the water is. So we went ahead, filled up 55-gallon drum, pump, run it right into your window, and you can still do dishes.